Hey guys, Malaki here. Welcome to another Devlog. Alright, so in today's video, I'll make the cave like I said in last video. But there is a problem. I have to do my assignment. Alright, I took some break from doing my assignment and now I'm working on the tile map for the cave. So here's the voiceover time lapse of it. So I start by some template. I just took it. I drew this tree bark texture before, so I'm just converting it into dirt brown texture, just messing around with some settings and now making it tileable. So now it's seamless and it tiles seamlessly. Just checking for seams. And as you can see, it's pretty seamless and it does look like dirt, I think. Yeah, now just messed around with the setting and look how now it looks much better. Then I just take the brick texture to make the cave. I mean, this all is just like I'm not focusing much on textures and art right now because that is a rabbit hole. I don't want to spend time doing that. I wanna do focus on mechanics first because art is something I can just do whenever I'm good at art. So the mechanic is something I'm not that great at. So that's why I'm just like, yeah, whatever, sure, any art is fine art, any art is good, just make some art and get done with it, because you can easily get lost in details. So now I'm just making the cave walls. The final version won't have these slopey walls, but I had these ones. I didn't want to draw anything again because it's all placeholder stuff, so why bother? And voila, I have the walls. Then I did some more assignment and then I took a break and played some league. Then I start by voting enemy blue so I can steal if they are doing the blue. And yeah, I totally failed that one. Report. Sad. Then I chunked Akali pretty hard and I missed the queue. Feels bad, man. Then I had nothing to do in the lane I had prior, so I took Scuttle because Dragon was spawning and my jungler is useless. And then he pings me like, bro, I'm taking a Scuttle for you so you can have Dragon prior. Then Akali jumps on me and I chunk her. I get ignited and Mastery was around, so I was like, yeah, you take the kill. But he doesn't even... It was like the kill was literally 1 QA for Mastery, and he takes my farm. What a stupid jungler. Then I get some solo kills. My bot lane was dying. They were not rotating for the track, and my jungler was stupid and useless, so we'll end up losing the game. I hate this game. Why do I even play it? I'm just addicted to League, but like, why? I hate League. Then I did some more assignment. Then I'm like working on the map area now. You can see me working on it. Since this is a tutorial area, you need dialogues, and I'll make a dialogue system now. So this is what the map currently looks like. The area is just a straight corridor. I just left it open because I don't really know what the tutorial is gonna be like, what space it will need. So I'll just like make the map as I go on, and obviously these textures are garbage. I'll make better textures for it. This is the starting cave. Here you will spawn and you will get your first prompt, that is click to move, and you would move. Wow. And then if you go out of the cave, I'll put a scene transition there, so you end up on this one, this scene, the grassy land area, and then there will be another cave which is the tutorial area, which will just take you the previous scene, but on the tutorial area where Arcane is right now, and there will be the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to make the dialogue box while listening to Kotetsujono Kabaneri's movies ending. Such a bop. Alright, so this is the time lapse, and I'm just drawing the dialogue box the same style as the UI. So let's do it. Alright, so I finished the layout, and let's see how it looks like in game. You know what? It should be kind of like. How about now? Yeah, I can put the text down too. Some games have the text up, some have it down. Hollow Knight has it up, so you know what? So usually the text will just look like this. Obviously I'll scale this properly. Right now I'm just stretching it, but this will be the text, and same can be put down here. And if there is a dialogue tree, or you are talking with some NPC and there are multiple options, then these stuff will be enabled, and this is how it looks like with them. So you know, press A, B, X or Y to respond. Tell me in the comment section for the layout. Write down in the comments what do you think. Should it be up or should it be down? Like this perhaps. The options are here now. Or the dialogue. I don't really know right now. I can easily change it later too. But what do you guys think? Write it down in the comments. I'm really confused on this one. So yeah, I'll do the coding for the text in the next devlog because I still have to do my assignments. Bye bye. See ya in the next one.